Hello, kids! I welcome all of you to our online conversation class once again. Kids, today we going to learn some more interesting things on our country, India. Like we going to learn about the currency, then the river, the capital. Okay, kids? So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So, kids, all of you know very well that this is our country, India, right? Yes. So, kids, as like we have many names, the same way our country, India, has also more two names. What are those? Yes, Hindustan and Bharat. What, kids? I repeat, Hindustan and Bharat. Okay? Now, children, look at this picture. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's money. And if we don't have money, so we can't buy anything from the shops, right? So, to buy something, we need money, right? Money means currency, okay? So, our India's currency is the rupee. So, kids, what is the currency of India? Yes, the currency of India is the rupee. I repeat, rupee. Okay, kids? Do you know, kids? New Delhi is the capital of India. I repeat, New Delhi is the capital of India. So, kids, Delhi is a state, as like we have learned that West Bengal is a state. In the same way, Delhi is the state in our country. So it is the capital of our country, India. Okay, kids? Now, children, look at the picture carefully and tell me, what can you see in the picture? Yes, we can see there is full of water, right? Yes, so you all use water, right? For drinking, for bathing, then for washing your hands, right? Without water, we cannot survive, isn't it? Yes. So, we are using water each and every time, right? So, from where do we get water? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. We get water from the river. Yes, and do you know? The Ganges River is the longest river in our country. Yes, children. So, kids, the Ganges River is the longest river in our country. So, all my dear kids, let us revise the points that we have learned today. So, India is also known as Hindustan and Bharat. Next, the currency of India is the rupee. Next, New Delhi is the capital of India. And the last point, that is, the Ganges River is the longest river of India. Alright, kids. So please keep practicing, everybody. See you soon and thank you.